Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best of the best so you don't waste your money. And today, we're diving into the ultimate compact powerhouse for your kitchen, the XIXUBX coffee machine. This is hands down the best espresso machine steam wand coffee maker on the market right now. With a 3.5 bars professional pressure system and 800 watts of brewing power, you can have a fresh shot of espresso in just under 2 minutes. That's faster than your kettle. Perfect for those early mornings when every second counts, or an afternoon caffeine fix when you're racing a deadline. Next up is the design. This machine is made for compact living. Measuring just 8.3 inches deep, 6 inches wide, and 11.8 inches tall, and weighing only 3.3 pounds, it fits perfectly in any small kitchen, dorm room, or even your office desk area. No bulky frame, no clutter, just great coffee, anytime. But let's talk milk frothing, because this is where it gets really exciting. The adjustable steam wand lets you create rich, creamy froth for cappuccinos and lattes like a professional barista. Whether you want microfoam for your latte art or dense froth for your cappuccino, this wand delivers. Plus, it's got a heat-resistant short tube for added safety and ease of cleaning. There's even a red pin included to help you unclog the wand if it ever gets blocked. That's thoughtful design. Operating the XIXUBX is a breeze. No complicated button combos. Just one easy-to-use dial that powers on the unit, starts brewing, and activates the steam wand. Everything in one smooth motion. It's simple enough for anyone to use, yes, even your tech-challenged uncle who still owns a flip phone. Now here's a feature that truly sets this machine apart: its built-in safety and convenience features. The handle includes a portafilter locking clip. Once your grounds are spent, just knock it out, no scraping, no mess. And the safety lock ensures that everything is aligned correctly before brewing. That means no accidental spills or half-brewed disasters. Plus, you get 2 BPA-free Triton cups included. They're lightweight, durable, odorless, and have clear measurement markings to help you pour the perfect amount every time. Just a tip to get the most out of this machine: use dark roast coffee with a medium coarse grind. Fill the filter basket up to the 4-cup mark, and during brewing, stop when the coffee reaches the second line on the carafe. That'll give you the boldest flavor without watering things down. If you're new to espresso machines or just want something efficient and compact without giving up quality, this is it. The XIXUBX coffee machine proves that you don't need a $500 machine to enjoy great coffee at home. It's affordable, it's fast, it's easy to use, and it looks great on your counter. Whether you're a college student, a remote worker, or someone who just wants a quick and delicious cup every day, the XIXUBX delivers. That's all for today's product critique. If you liked this review, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more brutally honest product breakdowns. Got a coffee maker you want us to check out next? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay caffeinated.